In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a testimonial section on the home page in Shopify Dawn theme. We're keeping it simple by using an app or pre-built widget, which means no coding and a clean, maintainable setup that works beautifully with Dawn. First, choose a reviews or testimonial app from the Shopify App Store that includes a testimonial carousel or widget and supports the Dawn theme. If you already use a reviews app, check whether it offers a homepage widget. You can use that instead of installing something new. Install the app and complete any quick onboarding it asks for, so the widget becomes available in your theme editor. Next, open your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your Dawn theme. This takes you into the theme editor where you control your homepage layout. In the left panel, add a new section or block and look for the app's testimonial or review widget, usually listed under Apps. Select it, and it will appear on your homepage preview. Now, position it exactly where you want. You can drag and drop the section to sit after featured products, above your newsletter, or just before the footer, wherever it complements your content and helps build trust as visitors scroll. Trust-building elements typically work well near product features and at the bottom of the page. Open the widget settings to add your content. Enter customer quotes, names, and titles if you have them, and include star ratings and photos when possible. Most apps let you choose between a carousel or a grid layout. A carousel is great for saving space and keeping motion engaging. A grid works well if you want several reviews visible at once. Match the fonts, spacing, and colors to your theme so everything feels consistent and professional. When you're happy with the content and layout, click Save. Use the preview to make sure testimonials appear correctly and read well on your homepage. Check the mobile view too, since most visitors will see it on a phone, and adjust spacing or text length in the app settings if anything feels crowded. The beauty of this approach is that everything is safe and easy to maintain. There's no custom code to break during theme updates, and most apps handle review storage, moderation, formatting, and responsiveness for you. If you ever need to edit, reorder, or remove the section, just return to the theme editor and update the widget or delete the block. That's it. Your Dawn homepage now features a polished testimonial section that boosts credibility and keeps your workflow simple.